How to color grade underwater GoPro hero footage. Alright guys, so the first step is to import your footage into an editor. So start by importing your underwater clips into your editing software. It could be DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, and then the second step would be to correct the white balance. So all you need to do is just simply increase the warmth or temperature slightly because underwater footage usually has too much blue or green. So adjust the white balance first. Now once you're done, bring back red tones. Water removes red quickly, so increase reds and magenta to restore natural color. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and adjust the exposure and contrast. Increase the contrast and slightly raise the exposure to make the footage pop. And then once you're done, increase the clarity and sharpness carefully by adding a little sharpness and clarity, but doesn't overdo it. So the footage wouldn't look so noisy. You can tell the difference when you include sharpness and clarity into your clip. All right, and then once you're done, you can now enhance the watercolor by fine-tuning the aqua and blue tones for a cleaner tropical look, and then adding LUTs or cinematic finishings by simply applying cinematic presets for an underwater professional look. And then once you're done, you can export in high quality by exporting your final video in 4K with a higher bit rate for the best underwater details. All right, guys.